It's very tough, and Turkmenistan already worse than the North Korean regime, and many people don't know about this, but we're slowly going to educate you guys. I'm gonna teach you what does democracy mean, how you have to ask your rights. We're gonna keep fighting for our democracy, guys. Please don't give up. I want to ask you, please don't give up. Don't lose the hope. Nothing gonna change. Nothing gonna change. Many people say nothing gonna change. We are hopeless. Don't tell like this. Please learn, ask your rights. Learn how to ask your rights, and we're gonna do our best. I'm gonna do my best to just teach you guys what does the democracy mean and how you should act upon Constitution. That's it. Just act upon Constitution. Don't go beyond of that. Just obey the law and act upon constitutions. Ask your rights, and slowly, I hope everything gonna change.